जिन लोगों को एक बार जीतने की आदत पड़ गई वो लगातार ही जीतते हैं. So let make success addiction for you. So why it is important that we make success an addiction for us? So the key thing is that if you make addiction your success, so you just keep hard, you just don't give anything as a second class, you always give the things in a best in the world, in the first class. So it's very important we should try to do the things for the best class. I know that the story of that Ranjit Singh was one of the traffic policemen who is located at Indore, and he always says that his mother taught him that whatever you do best in class, and that's how his habit become, that success become his addiction. He keep on doing this moonwalk and his dance steps in the using the traffics the traffic signal, even at the rain also. So now his habit becomes his success become one of the addiction, and he keep on doing the same thing and giving the best and best results. So thing is very important, you should do the thing, and for that's not just to doing, it should be succeed, it should be a world class, it should be irreplaceable. So everything it's become a thing which everybody appreciate, that this is the thing that only he could do. It could become a signature mark of you, then your success become an addiction for you. And for this you should ask question, you should take massive action, you should apply your brain how you can improve the things which you are doing, and keep on investing on yourself, give more time to improve your skills, improve your things which you are doing. कहते हैं ना, जब तक लगातार आप किसी काम को करते नहीं रहते उसमें परफेक्शन नहीं आता है, और जब वो परफेक्शन आ जाता है तो देन दिस परफेक्शन बिकम वन ऑफ द बेंचमार्क फॉर यू. विदाउट इट you cannot sleep well, because it's become a signature, it's become one ideology, one thing that is you are known for. And if you don't do it, you also don't feel that it's not the thing which I can deserve or whatever I give, and people will also don't see it as a second class. They also think that ये बंदा तो हमेशा ऐसे ही करता है, it's a class which he gives, इसके अलावा तो हम expect ही नहीं कर सकते. You just make a frame, अगर ये बोल रहा है या ये कर रहा है तो ये इसी benchmark का ही होगा. We just keep on make this kind of benchmark. तो ये आपका addiction अगर आपका success बन जाएगा तो आप हमेशा hard करोगे. Like we just expecting Sachin that he will do it, like Dhoni we will do it, or Virat Kohli. We know that they are legend, they do the things in a legend way. So we always think that कि वो तो बंदा करेगा ही करेगा, although कभी कभार वो नहीं भी कर पाते, but even though we just think that they will do, because they made their success as a addiction, they strive for their success and becoming more popular. So this are my view over this topic, and what you think, do you resonate with this? So type on the chat box like you resonate, and you also try for becoming success addicted, and you will also become addict for this success. Thank you.